Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Iluwi Season.
Mark Conananing, we're in Pampanga.
For the record, iniing pera malawot na apunta lang to. Kenny Park ning Pampanga.
Yes. Actually, apenining boundary ning Apalit tsaka Bulacan.
Anyway, nakipong ka-excited kasi may invite kami po kening D&M Resort Events Place. Kitang kwento da kaya katamo, 1990s na niyang minunay memo kulat ni.
If I remember, 1994, katang first sa memo kulat ni.
Meaning, one of the resorts and events place na talagang mag-invest Kenny Park na ning Apalit.
Yes.
History, so may nga palabas yung panahon, dakal na lang mo naman siguro na yung may kapa
Talakan na resort.
resort. At the same,
Kening place ay ni.
At the same time guys, dakal na lang mo naman ding memorable na event ning Milyari Kenny. So, makanita ka historic ing lugar ini, makanyan ding buring i-revive ding Migabandi. Pakabiyayan din makanyan. So, burida pang mas marakal la rin taong maging memorable yung lugar ini. So, dumuro tamo, lamenta la rin lugar. So, kayong gulot to guys, apinining ka rin lang main function hall.
Yes. It can accommodate around 300 to 400
300
packs.
to 400 packs. Ngayon, nung iniing i-avail yung Kenny guys, actually pati itang playground, pati itang cottages, pwede na lang gamitan.
Even detang rooms da.
Rooms. So, atila mo naman room kitang second floor da ka rin. Ating bed for 2 persons. Ating mo naman room for
Barkada.
Barkada, actually, it can accommodate like 6 to 8 persons. Makanyan Tara, dumurtan pa. So actually, nga pansinan ko kay ni ing lugar is very close to the nature. Ma-evident na damdaman nung aliwaring
Puno,
birds. Ang nakatanaman Kenny. So,
one thing din, if ever mag-event ka, for sure presko. Kasi makasurround dyan puno ikang event.
Makasurround yung tanawan, makanyan So, Kenny Laret ang sasabihan ming playground area. If ever in Kenggulot mi yung inabil yupin agamit siya ni as an extension.
I wanna lock in your love.
So kitang gulot mi naman, apin na yung swimming pool area. So as of now, atin lang adwang swimming pool na may maintain. However, nung bisa kayong
mag-swimming
kayo, by appointment
Yes.
So you need to call them minimum number of
at least 20 packs para maagamit itang swimming pool.
So, ito, dumuritan pa. Sibat Mark ata tanda na muti kita pang pintalan part na ning property da kita sumangit bakod Ano yung kasanting lugar nung mandun kang pipag-prenup?
Prenup, pictorials, or any event na puri mo itang medyo rustic yung kaya kang style.
Apang close to farm makanya kasi akit mo ka rin guys Kubo, Kalamunding,
Bayabas.
Sisi, Bayabas mo yan. Although ordinaryo la rin ang Peña Biming rin pero when you're there and frame it super. Bagay ang bagay ka rin pictorials yun. Again, magpasalamat kami po uling panalbenyo rin kaya kaming vlog. Magpasalamat kami mo naman kay DM Resort and Events Place for inviting us.
This is located along Balukok, Apalit, Pampanga.
So guys, if you're interested to hold your events here, your party, or even your private family gathering, make sure to contact po itang numbers that we're gonna be providing below. And ito, mag-summer na, add this on your option.
Also, check their Facebook page para akit sila detang alwadang event na gagawan Kenny.
Ito, so dakala salamat po. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye!